Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to logo design using AI, so stay tuned till the end. First, you have opened any browser. Then search ideogram. Click the ideogram website. Sign up with Google. Choose your Google account. Then you can see the ideogram website interface. Here you write prompt means you describe the kind of logo design you want. I wrote here create a flat vector, illustrative-style wordmark logo design for a technology company named Spy Tech. The logo should feature the company initials S and T intertwined in a sleek and futuristic font. Use a gradient of blue and silver colors to symbolize innovation and technology against a white background. Do not show any realistic photo detail shading. Then hit the Generate button. Wait a few seconds. Our logo design is done. Check out how the logo has turned out. If you don't like any of these designs, hit Generate again. Wait for a while as before and it will redesign again. See for new designs. Also, if you don't like any design, then generate it again, and if you don't like the prompt, then do a little customization. Then select the design you like and download it. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel.